Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to my channel in Believers Records, the show where we drop you hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, that was a free FLP that I'm actually giving out for free. It comes in with a drum kit that I'm about to show you guys in a minute. It's crazy, man. You know, nicely processed, you know, sounds in here. So yeah, man. So once you actually open the drum kit, there's this nice free FLP just waiting for you. So you can actually choose to finish it. You know, just use it as a template. You can finish it, you can remix it, you know, as long as it helps you, man. So yeah. So before we actually jump into the drum kit, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So yeah, man. So let's go ahead and see what this fire drum kit has in store for it. Sorry, it's called Deeds RnB drum kit and Midi pack. So everything here is just extra, from the 808 to the claps, the snares, you know, the FLP, the FX, the hats, the kicks, the Midis. There's like 15 crazy Midis in here just to inspire you, man. And there's like there's some open hats in here. There's some percussion loops. There's some percussion. There's some snaps, some vocal shot. You know, I don't even know where to start, man. So let's just go ahead and start off with the Midis, you know, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So let's load up the first Midi. let's hear that. Let's use a BPM of, let's say, because these Midis have different BPMs, maybe around 110. Doesn't matter, does it? All right, let's hear it. Sorry for that. Let me just change this to piano. I'm using Nexus for demonstration. All right. So go ahead and hear how that sounds. Next. Next. All right, next. Next. All right, 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 next. next. All right, next. All right, the last MIDI. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the MIDI, guys. That's it for the MIDIs. It's a lot of MIDIs to actually, to actually do something, to inspire you. You can choose to actually tweak the MIDIs, or just eventually actually make a beat out of it or something. It's crazy, man. So yeah. So let's go ahead and see the rest of the stuff. So the 808s. Sorry, I think I'm still using the whatever. I'm gonna have to put this off. All right. Yeah, so the claps and the snares. All right, the snares. All right, there's some FX here. All right, the hats. All right, the kicks. All right, the open hat. All right, there's some percussion loops here. All right, the percussion itself. All right, the snaps. And lastly here, there's a vocal shot. So when I use in making that beat. So yeah, man, yeah, it's crazy. I recommend that you actually get this drum kit. I promise you, it's gonna change your production process and actually take your beats, you know, to the next level. So if you're an inspiring producer, actually looking forward to, you know, to actually getting better or growing, you know, I actually recommend that you actually get this kit. So yeah, man. So yeah, that's it. So I actually forgot something. I didn't show you guys what I have in what I actually did to that beat. So there's some things here. There's a bus. So I just put this whatever for the tone shaper. Just add some tone to it. That's for the guitar, I think. For the instruments all together, I just bust them together in one bus. Yeah. And then I use the SSL compressor to compress them all together. Yep. And then for the drums, I think I use the R compressor. That was off actually. Yeah. All right, so yeah, so I use the R compressor. Yeah, that's it, man. So not so much. That's it. And then in the master, I use this vitamins just to add a little bit of, you know, saturation and stuff. Then it has a DBX compression. Did a little bit of compression, and the rest, you know, it's a limiter. That's it. So that's it, man. So once you actually get the kit, you can just go do this yourself and just see what I did. You can go through the rest of the stuff and just see what I did. So yeah, that's it, man. So it's a little bit of sauce, just, you know, just to, you know, help in your production process and stuff. So yeah, that's it, man. So that's it, bro. That's it, bro. So yeah, so enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this. And yeah, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye, stay safe, namaste.